go, guys. It's fresh from mail. Hey, good cooking. This is from the company named HelloFresh. So I will tell you later why we get this box. So we're gonna open the box and let's check what's inside. So we have this. Welcome to America, #1 meal kit. In here are helpful tips, tricks, and info since you're our #1. So okay, there's like they're gonna tell you here how to maybe to order or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna read that later. So we have these. I don't know what's this one. Oh, this is a recipe, something like that. And this is recipe veggie bibimbap rice bowl. Sounds good. And so this is what we ordered from them. So I ordered it like I think Thursday or Friday. Yeah, I'll double check it. So really safe. Look at this foam here. I'll review this foam. So we get this one. I ordered this for good for 2 people. This. I don't know what's in it here. Let's see. Ooh, this is cold. Oh, recycle me. Oh, this is an ice pack. Recycle me. Okay. This chicken. This is a boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm gonna open this one. Creamy chive chicken and veggie bibimbap rice bowl. Sounds good. We can open this one. That's what we have. That's what we have. Yay. Oh, this thing is gonna give you all the recipes. This is this is for the creamy chive chicken. That's why we have a fresh chicken here, uncooked chicken. So we have these ingredients: mixed greens. I think it's spinach and other spring greens. And we have apple. We have jasmine rice. And what else? We have this chive. And what else? We have this seasoning. I don't know what's this, but it says HelloFresh chicken seasoning. And this sour cream from HelloFresh. What's in there? Lemon. What else? And mustard, I think. Yeah, mustard. Cajun mustard here. Okay, that's for the this bag is greener than the salad bar. Cream chive chicken. What is that? This is the veggie bibimbap rice bowl. So inside have egg, 2 pasteurized eggs, cage free. And then we have This is so fun. This is fun. Scallions. Fresh. It is fresh. We have what else? Kikkoman sauce. Cool. We have mushroom. Okay, what else? What's this? White wine vinegar. Oh, this is so cute. So tiny. And of course, rice. Jasmine rice. What else? Oh, we have zucchini. What else? This is funny. Garlic. Okay. Okay, sriracha sauce. We have this one-piece little carrots here. We put it in a little bag too. HelloFresh. And then sesame oil. Alright. That's it. So we're gonna cook all of this and I'm gonna show you later after. And let's see. We're gonna eat those. Alright. See you later. Half of it, chives. Okay, and then the salt. We're gonna stir that one and then we're gonna put it aside. Okay, so the rice is cooked. And then our chicken is cooked. Apples. We made earlier. And we're gonna mix that one later. Rice, we're gonna add this butter. We're gonna post this one here. We will put the rice. And we're gonna put the chicken. And then I'm gonna put this one, and then I'm gonna put this sauce later. And I forgot to tell you that after the sour cream, add the remaining chive. All right, ginger, scallions, zucchini, carrots, and our mushroom. So we're just gonna prepare all this one, wash it, and be ready to go. Okay, and stir it good.